we knew that was where we were meant to be. So it made it a no-brainer.
A British Columbia couple is relaxing back at home after nursing coronavirus patients back to health at a field hospital in one of Italy's hardest hit regions.
It really was awful. There was a lot of heartbreak that you witness and experience, but you could be a little bit of that hope too. And it was amazing how receptive people are to just having you there with them or pray with them.
Matt and Mary left Langley in mid-April to work as ward nurses at the Emergency Field Hospital in Cremona, Italy, set up by Samaritan's Purse, an international Christian relief organization.
It was exciting and a little bit scared as well, because you don't really know what you're getting into. It was quite exciting.
Yeah, I think it was a weird feeling leaving, kind of knowing things we could be needed back home as well. But we both had a good sense of peace knowing that like the situation in Italy was just that much more of a disaster and the need was that much greater there.
The field hospital was set up to help with overflow patients from nearby medical facilities. Nearly 300 patients were treated here. 23 of those patients died. The charity brings their own critical medical supplies and personal protective equipment.
It did feel like we were needed there for sure to provide relief from the Cremona hospital there. The people in Italy were so hospitable to us arriving and just so generous and so thankful. Like we really felt, they just kept saying, we're so thankful you are here. We felt like finally someone heard us.
The couple arrived back home on May 11th. While they haven't returned to work in BC yet, they say it's nice to see nurses around the world coming together to fight the pandemic.
From the nursing world in BC, I think everyone's morales are quite high that, we've done the right thing and we're continuing to do the right thing.
And I think you see a lot of just like nurses banding together in such a cool way, which has been really neat to be a part of. Like you kind of feel like you're facing something bigger together, and that really brings a team together in a cool way.
Both agree there's no doubt they do it all again if the time comes.
To those who are on the fence of, being willing to take a little bit of a risk to do something good for others, it's definitely worth just taking that tiny little step in the direction towards risk for the good of others.
In Richmond, Miranda Fatour, City News.